Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Discord using your PC. It's a great way to gather opinions from your friends or community. Let's dive in. First, open the Discord app on your PC and log into your account. Next, find the chat where you want to send your poll. Whether it's a group chat or a server channel, navigate to that specific conversation. Once you're in the chat, look for the plus icon to the left of the chat box. Click on that icon, and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Create a Poll. This will open the poll creation interface where you can get started. Now, it's time to write your question. In the designated field, type out the question you want to ask. After that, add the answers you want people to choose from. You can include multiple options, so make sure to cover all your bases. Next, choose the duration for your poll. Decide how long you want people to vote, whether it's a few hours or a couple of days. Finally, once everything looks good, click on Post. Your poll will be sent to the chat, and everyone will be able to participate. And that's it. You've successfully created a poll on Discord. It's a simple yet effective way to engage with your community and gather feedback. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Happy polling!